In today's fast-paced world, time is a commodity many find in short supply. Yet there's a place where time stretches out before us, often untapped and ripe with potential: the cabin of an airplane. As we cruise above the clouds, we join millions who traverse the skies daily. Air travel is no longer a luxury for the few, but a bridge connecting a global community, a bridge that continues to expand. For the savvy traveler, the hours spent in transit aren't lost to the ether. They're an opportunity to enhance productivity. Gone are the days when flights were a break from the hustle of life. Now they're a haven from the cacophony of daily distractions. The constant buzz of notifications, the relentless ring of phone calls, and the incessant influx of emails all silence the moment the aircraft doors closed. Imagine a workspace where the only interruption is the gentle hum of engines, a white noise that lulls the mind into a state of focused calm. The cool, recycled air sets a comfortable stage for thought and reflection. It's here, in this self-contained environment, that one can truly harness the essence of productivity. Here are some strategies to transform travel time into a bastion of efficiency. 1. Document work. With the absence of internet distractions, flights are the perfect time to dive into writing tasks, be it reports, articles, or creative endeavors. 1. Email management. Draft responses to important emails and queue them for sending upon landing, ensuring a swift and efficient communication flow. 1. Inbox organization. Use this uninterrupted time to declutter your inbox, categorizing and deleting as necessary to achieve a streamlined correspondence system. 1. Networking. Revisit your contact list and reconnect with colleagues, friends, or acquaintances. A simple message can rekindle valuable relationships. 1. Strategic planning. Utilize the quiet to brainstorm and strategize. Plan your next business move or outline future projects without the usual distractions. However, productivity isn't solely about work. It's about using time wisely, and sometimes the wisest use of time is rest. If weariness sets in or sleep beckons, heed the call. Resting and meditating can rejuvenate the mind and body, preparing you to seize the day upon arrival. Observations from the world of luxury travel reveal a profound truth. Those who travel in comfort often choose rest over indulgence. They understand that to perform at their peak, they must arrive rested and ready. This principle applies to all travelers, regardless of the class of their ticket. Whether your journey is brief or spans several time zones, approach it with intention. Balance work with rest and planning with reflection. Equip yourself with the tools for success: a charged device, a sleep mask, and earplugs. In the end, how you use your time in the air is a personal choice.